Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Pinterest profile and keep things organized, archiving boards is a simple and effective way to do just that. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick steps to archive any board on Pinterest, so you can declutter your space without losing your favorite pins. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you will find all your boards neatly displayed. Next, tap on the Boards tab at the top. This tab shows every board you've created, making it easy to scroll through and find the one you want to archive. Take a moment to browse your collection and decide which board you'd like to put away for now. Once you've chosen the board, tap on it to open. You'll see all the pins you've saved to that board. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. That's the menu button. This will open a list of options for managing your board. From the menu, select Archive Board. Pinterest will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to archive it. Tap Confirm, and that's it. Your board is now archived. It won't show up on your public profile, and you won't be able to add new pins to it, but you can still view everything you've saved there whenever you like. Archiving is perfect for boards you're not actively using but don't want to delete. If you ever change your mind, you can always unarchive the board and bring it back to your main profile. That's all there is to it. Keeping your Pinterest boards organized is easy when you know how to archive the ones you aren't using. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.